Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make refrigerator pickles from cucumbers, easy method. Prepare cucumbers, brine, and jars before you start. First, wash and slice cucumbers to your preferred thickness, then heat a simple brine of vinegar, water, salt, and a touch of sugar until sugar dissolves. Pack jars with cucumbers and aromatics, pour hot brine over them, seal, and cool. Refrigerate for at least 24 hours for best flavor. Start by building a brine that balances tang and salt. Use vinegar and water as your base, then add kosher salt at about 1 tablespoon per cup of liquid and a little sugar if you like subtle sweetness. Warm the mixture until salt dissolves, then cool slightly. Taste and adjust acidity or saltiness before pouring over cucumbers. Good brine makes crisp, flavorful pickles every time. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfortable and last through long kitchen sessions. I use them when I'm standing for chopping and bottling. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab a pair if you like. Now let's get back to the video. Packing jars properly keeps texture and flavor consistent. Stand spears vertically or layer slices with aromatics so every bite gets seasoning. Leave roughly 1/2 inch of headspace to allow the brine to move and prevent overflow. Pour hot brine to cover cucumbers fully, gently tap jars to release air bubbles, then seal with lids. Let jars cool to room temperature before chilling them in the fridge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.